The Aipas F3 Max e-bike is a high-powered folding fat tire e-bike designed for daily, commuting, and off-road adventures. The Aipas F3 Max is a Class 3 e-bike with pedal assist and throttle that goes up to 28 miles per hour. It comes equipped with a powerful 1800 watt rear hub brushless motors that delivers up to 110 Nm of torque, giving the bike strong acceleration and excellent hill climbing performance on steep roads and trails carrying up to 500 pounds. The removable 48-volt waterproof lithium battery provides up to 85 miles of pedal assist range or around 40 miles using throttle only mode, along with adjustable front suspensions and hydraulic disc brakes for a smoother and safer ride. The F3 Max also includes a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, LCD display, cruise control, integrated headlights, brake lights, turn signals that can fold in seconds, making it easy to transport or store. The Aipas F3 Max is built for riders who want comfort, power, long range, and versatility all in one e-bike. Discount code MYUNG at ipassbike.com. Here's how to install the Aipas F3 Max e-bike. First, open the box and take out all the accessories and parts included with e-bike. Before you start assembling, check everything to make sure nothing is missing. Loosen the bolts on the adjustable stem and remove the stem clamp. Open the stem and slide it into the center post, then reinstall and tighten the bolts you removed earlier. Next, open the quick release clips on top and remove the center post. Loosen the bolts on the handlebar clamps. Place it onto the handlebar stem and tighten everything securely. Make sure the side where the printed text is facing inward before snapping the clip back into place. Adjust the handlebars so they line up straight with the front wheel. If the derailleur is tilted downward, use an Allen wrench to loosen the nearby screws, straighten it carefully, and tighten the screws again. You can also adjust the display position with a small Allen wrench if needed. Now install the saddle and seat post. Insert the seat post into the saddle mount and tighten the bolts on both sides. Slide the completed seat post into the bike frame, tighten the lower bolt securely, and close the quick release clip. Turn the bike upside down to install the front wheel. Loosen the bolts on the front brake caliper and line up the mounting holes before tightening the screws. Remove the nuts from both axle and take the axle out. Place the shorter spacer on the side closest to the brake disc and the longer spacer on the opposite side. Reinsert the axle and install the spacers, washers, brake calipers, and nuts in order. There is a black spacer inside the brake caliper that needs to be removed before installing the wheel. Carefully insert the front wheel while making sure the brake disc slides into brake caliper correctly. If needed, gently spread the brake calipers outward so the wheel fits properly. Once aligned, snap the brake caliper back into place and tighten the axle nuts securely with the wrenches. Next, install the front fender and headlight. Hold the rear nut with a wrench while loosening the front bolt using an Allen wrench. Remove the nut cap from the top of the front fender. Feed the screw through the front light bracket and the fender mount. Then hand tighten the nut from the back before fully tightening it with the tools. For the rear fender and rear rack, remove the screws from the front using a Phillips screwdriver. Position the rear fender underneath the rack and reinstall the screws. Remove the mounting screws on the rear frame and take the spacers off the rear rack. Install the rear rack onto the frame, reinstall the screws, and tighten everything securely. Attach the rear rack support and fender support using the screw shown in the video and tighten them firmly. Connect the wires coming from the rear wheel Secure them lead to the frame using zip ties. Finally, install the pedals. Each pedal is labeled for correct side and tightening directions. The left pedal tightens counterclockwise while the right pedal tightens clockwise. Be sure to pump your tires to 30 psi. Turn on the battery using the key located below the battery frame. Hold down the power button until it turns on. You can select modes, PAS 0 all the way to PAS 5. PAS 0 is 100% manual mode for pedal only, and PAS 1 to 5 is how much power you put onto the motor from pedal assist to full throttle turbo. Here are some Aipas e-bike accessories I highly recommend that'll keep you safe and comfortable. The Aipas LED cycling helmet is a lightweight and comfortable bike helmet designed to keep riders safer and more visible on the road. It features a built-in rechargeable LED light with multiple lighting modes, helping drivers and other riders see you better during night rides or low light conditions. The helmet also has a sleek aerodynamic design with large air vents for better airflow and cooling, while the durable EPS foam and polycarbonate shell provide solid impact protection and certified with CE and CPSC safety standards. The Aipas Aegis LED Adventure Helmet is a lightweight and stylish bike helmet made for comfort, safety, and visibility on every ride. It features a built-in rear LED safety light with multiple lighting modes and also used to adjust the tightness. The helmet also includes removable magnetic goggles and a detachable visor to protect your eyes from sun, wind, rain, and dust. With its aerodynamic design, large air vents, durable ABS shell, and impact-absorbing EPS foam, it delivers a cool and comfortable riding experience while meeting CE and CPSC safety standards. My wife absolutely loves this Aipas noseless oversized bike seat since she has a big butt, and the tiny seat isn't doing it for her. This supersized soft seat is designed to make long rides more comfortable by reducing pressure and soreness while you ride. Its wide noseless design helps improve comfort and support. The seat features a vent underneath keeping your bum cool, thick high density foam padding, shark absorbing support, and a breathable waterproof surface for a smoother and more enjoyable ride. Definitely recommend this seat. This Aipas hardshell rear shelf bag is super cool bike storage bag and becomes a sling bag instantly. This bag is a durable and spacious bike storage bag designed for everyday rides and adventures. Its hard shell exterior helps protect your belongings from dust, bumps, light rain while riding. The bag easily mounts onto a rear bike rack and provides plenty of room for tools, chargers, water bottles, groceries, or other essentials. With its sleek design, sturdy construction, and convenient carrying handle, it's a great storage solution for commuting, travel, and long bike rides. The Aipas Off-Road Protective Gear Seat is designed to help keep riders safe and more comfortable during off-road adventures. The set includes protective pads for the knees, elbows to help reduce impact during rides or falls. Made with durable material and adjustable straps, the gear provides a secure and comfortable fit for riding dirt bikes, e-bikes, ATVs, and other outdoor vehicles. Its lightweight and breathable design also helps riders stay comfortable during long rides. I definitely recommend these. Always be safe, wear your helmet, and enjoy the ride. Discount code MYUNG at iPassBike.com.